Members of the same species living in the same place at the same time make up population. If a scientist is studying the method of inserting human insulin gene in bacteria, which branch of biology may this be? Biotechnology. Which one will be the correct sequence of the level of organization of life? Option C, molecule to individual level. Which of these measured biomolecules is the highest percentage in protoplasm? Oxygen. Which of the following groups include organisms all of which are absorptive in their nutrition? Fungi. Similar cells organized into groups and performing the same function are known as tissue. Which of these tissue also makes the glandular tissue in animals? Epithelial tissue. The level of organization that is less defined in plant is organ system level. What is true about Volvex? Colonial eukaryotes. When we study the feeding relation among different animal species of a forest, at what level of organization we are studying? Community.
Thanks for watching and do subscribe.